Hazel and I'm here to share my internship experience during this summer. The company that I work for is Think Teach Academy, which is a learning center in Singapore. And the scope of my work is to use AI to create summary notes for IB maths. The reason that I joined this internship program is because I want to gain more skills, especially communication skills and the techniques of using AI. And I also want to have a taste of real-life work. Therefore, I decided to join this program. During the internship, there are a couple of difficulties. For example, I'm not familiar with the IB syllabus, and while I'm generating the study notes, there may be some missing concepts. So to deal with it, I first download the IB syllabus from the internet and have a check by myself and use AI to help me double check again. In this internship, I have learned how to use AI as a helper to work more efficient and accurate, and as I think, this is really important because in my opinion, not only is the academic result significant, but how to work efficiently is also crucial. Therefore, I feel really grateful for having this opportunity to learn. Originally, I think working in a company will be super stressed, and I'm so nervous while having the first week. As I don't usually speak English in my daily lives, but our communication language is English and they don't understand Cantonese. However, working with Think Teach Academy is actually really fun. They always encourage me to be more confident and ask more questions, and they are really willing to explain to me all the time. In conclusion, I feel really grateful to have this opportunity, and it's a good chance to explore more. Even now, I still don't have a really clear idea on what I want to do in the future right now. It's a good chance to explore something that I like. So once again, thank you for providing this amazing opportunity to me. Thank you.